Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make cashew paste. Before I start, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. To make 8 portions of cashew paste, you will need around 200 grams of cashews and enough water to cover and soak. Place the cashews in a bowl and cover with water for 30 to 45 minutes. Once the time is up, drain the cashews but keep some of the water to add back to the paste if required after blending. Put the cashews into a suitable blending tub and top up with water to cover by about 1 centimetre. Blend the cashews for about 20 seconds, adding more water if required until you get a paste the consistency of yoghurt. Store in the fridge for up to 3 to 5 days or freeze in 4 tablespoon portions for use at a later date. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.